automated coil laser cutting production line. It integrates several core functions such as unwinding, leveling, feeding, cutting and cutting. This equipment realizes the integrated processing process from raw material input to finished product output. Especially suitable for large-scale and continuous production tasks. The entire production line relies on its advanced automatic feeding, precise cutting technology and efficient receiving system. Significantly improve work efficiency, and significantly reduce labor costs and material losses. In addition, the equipment is equipped with adjustable feeding devices to adapt to different sizes of workpieces.